You can start, yes.
Hello. Driver.
Okay, that is without using the crutch, sino truk. Okay.
You see?
That's nice. No crutch, no crutch. Okay. So that's gear 8. And that's gear 9 without the crutch. Ah, man.
When it is in the range of 15 revving, it's fine. And when reducing also it's 15.
That's gear 10. Okay. No, that was nice. That was nice. Without using the crutch.
Yes. So you just have to maintain the
You just have to maintain the revs.
the revs. When the revs goes at 15, that's when
you engage. But meaning you have to be fast.
You have to be fast. Yeah.
No, that one is for professionals
Pros.
like you, for pros, yes.
Yes.
That is Pro Max.
But fig liners, they are good on this. You only start when you are starting clutch 1, then leave it.
Then you leave it. Okay.
And when reducing it, just the same. The speed comes down, then you left back 15, again. For me, it has been long, 7 years.
Oh,
So that's now.
that's when you are trying to catch up now, yeah. No, but this